You get to see a beautiful chandelier below, and this is the best place, Mona Lisa store. Then you have the Hamleys for kids. So if you want to buy toys or something for your kids, this is the best place, Hamleys. However, rather this is a little expensive for people, but then everybody has their own taste. That is the Shanton Paradise. That is the beauty of Singapore. Everything you'll get to find under one roof. From toys, from garments, to the restaurants, coffee shop, the theater, the bars, everything over here in one store. That is the Ferrari store for the juniors. That is Jacquard, Paris, Raymond,